Welcome back to Valley News Live. We're taking a look up in Grand Forks where we have quite the wind out of the north for most of us and clear skies for all of us. But let's take a look at this wintry week ahead of us. Now, we're going to see some snow tomorrow. And that's going to ramp up during the evening hours into Wednesday. We're going to see some pretty widespread snowfall at that point. But then, as we move into Thursday, that's when the real main event of this week begins. We are going to see some very widespread snow at that point, continuing all the way through the morning commute into the evening commute and then into the morning commute on Friday. And then we end the week during the weekend with even more snow on Saturday. So let's take a look at the Tuesday into Wednesday snow. Now, by the evening commute on Tuesday, we're going to see most places in the west seeing about 1, maybe a little bit more inches of snow, but the bullseye is way down to the southwest, mostly out of our area, though we could still see some places in our extreme southwestern communities get some of those higher amounts of snow. Now, by the morning commute on Wednesday, we're expecting that snow to continue pushing its way to the east, where some of our communities in the east now could see 1 to 3 inches. But again, places out to the southwest are going to be hit the hardest with this storm, about 3 to 6 inches possible for folks in the Ellendale region and more to the far southwest outside of our area where they could see 5 or more inches of snow. Here in Fargo, we could see about maybe 1 to 3 inches, maybe a little bit more. Now, by the evening commute on Wednesday, that's when it becomes a bit more widespread. As this system moves farther east, that's when our communities in Minnesota will start to pick up more and more accumulation, while in the west, it has pretty much wound down. It'll push its way north as well, giving some accumulating snow for folks in the north. Now, here in Fargo, currently we have clear skies. Temperature is 11 degrees, but thanks to those north winds, 20 miles an hour, making it feel pretty chilly. 7 below is that wind chill, and temperatures across the area are coldest out west, warmest in the east and lakes country, holding on to nice, positive, above freezing temperatures. Now, up in the Devil's Lake Basin, they're still holding on to those single digits. And a look at the satellite and radar shows that big high pressure system giving us those clear skies, keeping all of those clouds away from us, which is pretty nice as we head into this very wintry week. Now, as we move through the afternoon and into the evening, now here we are about 10 o'clock tonight, those clouds are going to unfortunately push back into the region, but thankfully those clouds are going to help keep things a little bit warmer as we move into the overnight period into Tuesday morning. Now, here we are at 7:30, continuing to see a bit of a north breeze, and that snow has made its way into our area. Most temperatures are in the single digits on both sides of zero, the coldest up to the northwest. Now, as we move throughout the day on Tuesday into that lunchtime hour, here we are about 11:30. That snow is going to continue pushing its way east, still basically holding on down in the southwest though. But as we move through the evening commute, about 4:30 here, that snow is going to continue pushing north and pushing east, giving more and more folks a chance at that snow. Now, as we move into that late night period, that snow is going to become a bit more widespread. Now, this next week, plenty of first alert weather day red. Tuesday, Wednesday, we have snow about 1 to 3 inches for most places. Tuesday to the west, Wednesday to the east, and then the main event kicks off Thursday and Friday, bringing widespread snow continuing into Saturday. But hey, temperatures near 30, so it's not all that bad.
Yeah, I get 30 on a first alert weather day. You know, it's not.
It could be worse.
It could definitely be worse. Jim, thank you so much.